Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna show you all the details of the facelifted Citroen C5 Aircross. And here we have a plug-in hybrid finished in lovely white color. And as you can see with this facelift, we have the new face. On the front we have the new grille. Look at the details here. So this is in chrome, goes very well with the daytime running LEDs, almost like they are connecting here. Then you have the new chevrons integrated into the front grille itself. The daytime running LEDs are divided into two sections. So we have the lower section here and the upper section here, and as I said, connected with those chrome parts. Main units, LED units are here. This car is available with a bunch of personalization options, including the color packs. So here you see it in sort of like the matte blue, very cool contrast with the white color. Now moving on, this is the front bumper. Look at the details here. So looks like chevrons from the badge. How cool is that? Of course, a bunch of sensors and radars integrated into this system here. And if we move on to the side, there we go, 4.5 meters is the length of the C5 Aircross. And on this facelift, as you can see, the color packs also are available here on the air bump. So it has a cool design, and the first one can be adjusted depending on what you want and what you need. The wheels, these are the 19-inch gloss black 225/50 R19, and here we have the specs for the C5 Aircross plug-in hybrid. The prices are here depending whether you want the fill pack or the shine package, and the specs of the model in our video are here on this sticker. So plug-in hybrid, 225 horsepower, 55 kilometers of autonomy, and on wallbox 7.4 kilowatt charging. Takes 2 hours to charge the battery. Speaking about hybrid, look at this hybrid logo, looks cool. Let me move on to the side of the vehicle, and there we go. We have the dual tone on this one. Looks very good because we have the robust wheel arches, the air bump, and then the contrast gloss black roof. I would actually prefer just to have this maybe in gloss black as well. Moving on to the rear of the car, here we have the new signature of the lights. So the lighting signature is changed. We have the nice 3D shape, and I don't know if camera is catching it, but the lights themselves are really cool and they have this nice design. Now from the rear, not that many changes compared to its predecessor, but as I said, the lights are a bit different. Let's open the trunk. There we go. So we have the nice square shape, some additional room for your cables, 12-volt power supply, and of course you can fold the seats to get even more room. If you press this button, the tailgate closes. And that's pretty much it when we talk about the exterior design. I'm gonna quickly show you the interior of this model. There we go. So you have the nice pattern with blue stitching. Actually goes very well with the color pack, and this beautiful seats with the blue stitching as well, but they are really comfortable. Let's jump on board and let me show you more details. So digital cockpit in front of the driver, 12.3-inch one, and the main touchscreen, which is a bit higher now, and you have better view of what's in front of you here. So I think you will be more concentrated on the road itself. If we turn on the screen, you see here we have the well-known infotainment system. Press it with 3 fingers, you go into the main menu, navigation. Now you go into the navigation view, and that's pretty much it. Not gonna go through all the details of the infotainment system. So you have the apps, vehicle settings and stuff like that, but we don't have much battery left here. Anyway, you can watch my full review of the C5 Aircross in Eclipse blue color. There I showed more of the infotainment system itself. Here is the button for the energy flow, wireless charger for your phone, 12-volt power supply, start engine button, gear selector. It's the minimalistic one which we are used to seeing on all new Citroen and Peugeot models, drive mode and storage area, as well as the cup holders. You can remove this. Let's see the glove box. There we go, huge amount of room here. And we also have the flappy pedals for changing of the gears. But now let's go outside. Let me show you the rear bench as well. There we go. You can move it. And that's pretty much it. So a quick walk around and review of the facelifted C5 Aircross. Once again, if you want to know more details, you can check out my full review in Lyon car show, and there I showed you all the details. In that video I focused on the infotainment system as well, but here I just wanted to show you how you can spec the C5 Aircross with the color pack and the white color. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. That's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, we are at the Citroen stand at the Belgrade car show, so there will be plenty of more videos. Stay tuned for more and see you on the next one. Bye bye.